Welcome to today's episode of Tech Frontiers, where we explore the exciting developments in technology. And today, we're diving deep into the world of authentication systems, specifically an innovative open-source solution called hanko. So let's start with a question. What's the common thread that connects all of us online? It's how we prove who we are, our login credentials. Well, let's face it, traditional passwords have been a necessary evil, right? We've all had that moment of frustration trying to remember a password, or worse, the stress of forgetting one. But what if I told you there's a way to move beyond passwords entirely? Enter hanko. Hanko is shaking things up with its focus on using passkeys, a modern solution for authentication that Apple, Google, and Microsoft have all embraced. Imagine logging into your favorite site without a password, just convenient, secure authentication that takes advantage of built-in tech like Touch ID or Face ID. It's like having a digital key that you always carry with you, your device. Let's talk briefly about what makes hanko so interesting. It's not just another authentication tool. It's designed with an eye on the future. Cloud-native, API-first, and ready for self-hosting or using hanko's own cloud service. Hanko provides a seamless integration experience through customizable web components, allowing developers to add user profiles and login boxes with minimal code. Now, for all you tech enthusiasts out there, let's break down the architecture. Imagine a modern building. Each component needs to work together effortlessly, right? Hanko's backend is like the sturdy foundation, handling authentication with passkeys and optional passwords. It also provides OAuth single sign-on, SSO, and user management. Then we have the hanko elements, which are the stylish facade that present a user-friendly experience, and the hanko front-end SDK as the interior design, making sure everything operates smoothly for the user. For those eager to dive in, there's even a quick start app available. It's like a demo model for your favorite car, giving you a taste of the user experience you could have. Plus, it's quite flexible. Whether you prefer to run it on bare metal or via Docker, hanko offers solutions for everyone. But here's a thought. What about the transition for users? There's often hesitation when it comes to change, especially around something as personal as our login methods. Passwordless logins have been teased for years, but with hanko, the ecosystem finally feels ready. Why do you think that is? Well, with most devices now outfitted to support passkeys, we're nearing a point where using passwords could become a thing of the past. Speaking of the past, let's consider how many security breaches we've seen due to passwords alone. Passwords can be stolen, guessed, or forgotten. The implications for security are huge. Moving to a passwordless system like hanko's could significantly reduce these risks. Now, you might be wondering, what's next for hanko? Great question. The roadmap is packed with features that are either rolling out or in the pipeline, including support for mobile apps, 2FA, and even more customizable options. Imagine how this can enhance not only security but also the user experience and satisfaction. As we round this discussion up, it's clear that hanko isn't just about moving past passwords. It's about redefining how we approach security in a digital age. So as we wrap up, I want you to think about this. Are you ready to embrace a future without passwords? How do you think such a shift will impact our everyday online interactions? Thanks for joining me today to delve into hanko and the future of authentication. Remember to check out the resources mentioned if you're interested in exploring more about passwordless technology. Until next time, on Tech Frontiers, keep innovating and stay curious.